went straight to work. She had a busy night ahead of her. When Templeton returned from the dump at midnight, Cheryl was so hot it was trying to finish creation.
The next morning, shining in the sunlight was Charlotte's web. But this web was different from any other web. This had a message written in it. It said, "Some pig." Lurby, who was bringing in the socks for Wilbur, was the first one to spot the web.
Here you go, pig. Breakfast, fresh slops. Oh my, what is that? I must be seeing things. Mrs. Huckabee, you better come see this.
What are you talking about?
Look, right there. It says some pig.
Some pig, huh? I don't believe it. Some pig.
So we have no ordinary pig.
Well, it seems to me we have no ordinary spider.
No. Oh no, it's the thing that's unusual.
I think we better call the Arables and tell them about the miracle. You know, Homer, I thought all along this pig of ours was an extra good one.
He's quite a pig. I'd say he's some pig.
Charlotte! It seems to have worked for now, anyway.